Maseches Kesubos daf pei dalet. The Gemara asks, how could it be that Rav holds Yerushat habals d'Rabbanon? We learned in the Mishnah, the Yechim Breaker says, Yerushat ishtoi, yachslu b'dei mishpacha b'yovel, v'yinaka lehem in adomim. And if Yerushat habal is the right, so why have to be machsev? And if it's d'Rabbanon, amay yinaka lehem in adomim, and the Gemara says, he holds Yerushat habal is the right. And Bochanan asks, what's the understanding in the Gemara that if Yerushat habal is the right, so then it's not choize b'yovel. However, if Yerushat habal is the Rabbanon, it's mavur that it is choize b'yovel. And Bochanan asks, it's hard to understand because normally we find called the tikkun Rabbanon kein the raisa tikkun, and therefore the same way Yerushat the raisa, there's no chazar b'yovel. Who a din on Yerushat the Rabbanon should be kein the raisa, and there should be no chazar b'yovel. On that, Bochanan says the answer is, according to tremendous chakir which you mentioned this year, the El and Daf Samach Vov, that he proves that the geder of Yerushat habal is not machmas kurva like other Yerushas, rather it's mischuse habal that he has in his wife, that he should yarshin her nechosim after she dies, and he proves it from Tofes on Daf Nun Vov. So Bochanan says if that's the case, so it's also hativ that since Yerushat habal d'Rabbanon is misdin schuse habal be'ishtoi, so therefore it's also hativ that's not ke'ein Yerushat de'rais, so that's machmas kurv v'udaka asinan Allah, and it's miyoshev hativ that the Yerushat habal d'Rabbanon is choize b'yovel. It's tzorchi, and according to the El and Daf Samach Vov, mashma is a Tofes and Daf Samach Heyam bases. The Yerushat habal is machmas kurva v'tzorchi and oid b'zeh. Going further on, the Mishnah says, Misha meis v'niach isha bal chov v'yorshim v'heiloi milvoi b'kodem yad acherim. He passed away and he has a chiuv and a kesubah isha, and there's money that's not tachas yodi, rather in someone else's hand. The machlokes Reb Akiva and Reb Tarfon. Reb Tarfon says, Yinoshlu koishel shebehen, either the kesubah isha Mishamachena or the koishel shebrai, the one that has the weaker raya, and Reb Akiva says ein merachmim bedin, rather the nechosim go to the Yerushat because all of the others need a shvua and the Yerushat don't need a shvua. There's many very yisaidistic ha'oris from the Farshim on the sugya. The Ran discusses what's the understanding, and that the kesubah isha or the bachoiv could collect in the chosim after his misa. The halacha is metalti d'leasmi lebalchoiv lemishtabdi. So how could the balchoiv collect metaltim from the yisoyim? The nechosim are in the reshus of the yisoyim, and so how could the balchoiv collect after misosis? So the Ran says that be'em is that we know that the halacha is metalti diasmi levachoiv lemishtabdi mekor advarim is gufa from our Mishnah, and in our Mishnah it's mavur that specifically when it's biyad ha'av. However, if it's not biyad ha'av, if it's in the hand of a pikodin or a loiva, and they're not collecting mitachas yad ha'yorshim, it doesn't pertain to halacha or metalti diasmi levachoiv lemishtabdi. The Pnei Yeshua has nariches and pshat machlokes Reb Tarfon and Reb Akiva, and he explains that Reb Tarfon holds they could be goyv in the rishis because of shibuda of nosin, and that's mavur in the sefer that he had peiros tlushim bachoiv could be goyva and kol hakoidvim zocho. The Pnei Yeshua says the understanding is that even though there's no shibud or metalti diasmi, nevertheless there is a mitzvah on yasmi lefroya choiv aviyim, and you're not koifa on the mitzvah. But since there is a mitzvah, so therefore b'chagavna they already Tofes you're not mitzina isim yodam. And the Pnei Yeshua asks, what's the understanding in the Reb Akiva's opinion that Tvis is not mahani according to what's mavur in the Sma, that my metalta diasmi, if Bezdin wants to be koifa, it could be koifa. So it's shver over here when they're already goiva. Why can't they hold on to it? And he brings that's mavur in the Mordechai at the end of the parak, that the parak is discussing Yisayim Ketanim, but the Pnei Yeshua says it can't be that the Mishnah over here is talking about Yisayim Ketanim, because that have to be the case. And then shver, what's the understanding of Tarfon that the Tvis is mahani? How could a Tvis be mahani to collect from Yisayim Ketanim? I the Tumim that points out a very strong ha'ara on this Mishnah. How could it be that Tarfon holds that the Balchoiv, the Kesubos Isha, could collect from the metalton of the Yisayimim? There's no shibud on metalton. So he said, you see that there is a shibud nechosim even on metalton, and therefore, even after the misa of the loiva and the husband, nevertheless, they could be goiva midin mit shibud nechosim that's chal on metalton. And he asks on the shitas that hold there is no shibud nechosim b'chlal on metalton. Moving further on, the Gemara with Beis brings a story. The Ein Bachoshu lent money to Gavro, and he passed away, and he left over a boat, and he sent the shliach to go take the boat and be Tofes in the boat on his behalf for the gvi of his chov. And the Gemara says that doesn't work because Tofes the Balchoiv Mokum Shechav Lachim is not koina. Tofes says that there's a raya from our sugya that halacha is Tofes the Balchoiv Mokum Shechav Lachim Lekono is even when the Mishalech was memana the Tofes with shlichus. Nevertheless, it pertains the halacha of Tofes the Balchoiv Mokum Shechav Lachim. And he asks in Shitas Rashi that's mavur that b'chagavna that he made him a shliach. It doesn't pertain the halacha of Tofes Balchoiv Mokum Shechav Lachim. Ein Pnei Yeshua that explains the reason why, even if he's man a shliach, it pertains the halacha of Tofes Balchoiv Mokum Shechav Lachim is because since this tvises chav lachim, so therefore the tvises in aveiro and the halacha is ein shliach ledvar aveiro. The Ktsois asks that the halacha is ein shliach ledvar aveiro is specifically when it is an aveiro to the Mishaleach. However, over here, when the Mishaleach is not doing anything wrong by being Tofes, only the shliach is doing an aveiro. It doesn't pertain the halacha of ein shliach ledvar aveiro. The Rosh in Gittin explains the reason why, even with me, the shlichus, it passes the halacha of Tofes Balchoiv Mokum Shechav Lachim Lekono is because since this ma'isa is chav lachim lav kol kamine to miman a shliach, and the bir advorim is that shlichus is the Mishalech is giving the shliach a koyach to do a ma'isa, and it's nasi yodu ki yodu, but how much the ikar ma'isa, although it's a zchus for the Mishalech, it's a choy for somebody else, it can't be chal that the dinner's ma'isa is be done on behalf of the Mishalech since it's chav la'achirim. Eigentlich says a choshen that brings from the Yehuda that says a tremendous chiddush according to this sugya. They says even before Chen the Ben Gershom they can't megarish ishtei bal korchoch. Nevertheless, one can't make a shliach to megarish his wife against the Isha's will because it's Tofes the Balchoiv b'mokum shechav lachim. Since the Isha doesn't want to garish, and the shliach can't have a din of a shliach to megarish his wife because of Tofes the Balchoiv b'mokum shechav lachim. The Ksesachoshen argues on the Neidim Yehuda, and he says that specifically by a tvisa the Balchoiv it's not shaykh to be chal a shlichus. However, by Girishin, since the Baal has a right to megarish his wife Bal Korchos, therefore you can make a shliach b'mekoyimoi. This in the same way it's mavur and Shulchan Aruch that if the loiva wants to mezaka the money to one of his lenders, it's chal eschia, and the beer is because since the loiva owns the money, he has a right to mezaka to one of the malvas, and it doesn't pass the halacha of Tofes Balchoiv Mokum Shechav Lachim Lekono. So over here, since the husband has a right to megarish his wife, so therefore it's chal the shlichus, even though it's a choiv for the isha.